Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 27 H2 Insider preview build 29610 to the latest experimental feature platform. And while it may not come with flashy AI features or a redesigned Start menu, it reveals something arguably more important. Microsoft is rebuilding the foundation of Windows itself, probably for Windows 11 27 H2 or maybe Windows 12. And if Windows 11 version 27 is on your radar, there are some interesting changes you need to know. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama, where we break down the latest Windows updates, insider builds, hidden features, and Microsoft news in a way that really matters. So without getting further delayed, let's get started. This release arrives through the experimental, also known as Future Platform channel, which serves as Microsoft testing ground for technologies that could eventually shape future Windows release, including the early foundation of Windows 11 version 27 H2 or maybe Windows 12. These builds aren't focused on visual changes. Instead, they concentrate on core architecture, performance improvements, and system reliability. In other words, this is where Microsoft does the heavy lifting behind the scene. One of the biggest changes in this build involves Windows licensing. For years, advanced users and administrators have relied on the old command line script called slmgr.vbs to manage Windows activation. That script dates back to an entirely different era of Windows. Now Microsoft is introducing two new PowerShell commands: get-os license info and set-license info. These modern cmdlets are designed to eventually replace the aging VBScript licensing tools. It's another sign that Microsoft is continuing its long effort to retire legacy technologies and modernize Windows administration. During installation process that still depends on VBScript components, Windows now displays a warning banner notifying users VBScript is being deprecated. The message is clear: the future of Windows administration is PowerShell. Microsoft also brought over a couple of user experience improvements that were previously tested in other insider channels. First, Windows Update Pass Controller became more granular. Instead of basic pass options, users get final control over exactly when updates should resume. You can now pause update for up to 35 days, and that you can repeat for unlimited times. It's a small tweak, but one that power users have been asking for. The notification center now allows you to decide whether the dedicated focus section should appear at all. If you never use focus section, you can simply panel and remove the unnecessary clutter. More customization is always welcome. Now here is the change many people might overlook. Microsoft says it has improved the performance when navigating to the settings, then system, then storage, then advanced storage settings, then disk and volumes. If you're running system with multiple drives, large capacity SSDs, RAID setups, or complex storage configurations, this section should load and respond faster. It won't transform gaming performance overnight, but it does improve everyday usability for enthusiasts and professionals managing large storage environments. This build also addresses several frustrating issues from previous plights. The biggest one fixes a severe problem causing related to green screen desktop crashes with error kernel security check failure. For affected insider users, this fix alone makes the update worth it. Microsoft also resolved a visual bug that duplicated energy server icon inside quick settings. And finally, Windows security issue has been corrected. Some users were receiving alert claiming Microsoft Defender was disabled, even though it was running normally in the background. False security warning can be alarming, so it's good to see it addressed quickly. Now, before you install, there is one very important detail. This particular 29600 series platform branches isn't intended for everyone. Right now, it's primarily targeting ARM64 devices, especially systems powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X series processors. If you're using traditional Intel or AMD powered PCs, don't be surprised if this build never appears through your normal insider channels. Microsoft is using this early platform plight experimental with next generation hardware experience before broader allowed. That also said, Microsoft has recently fixed a blocking issues affecting certain AMD systems using System Guard, suggesting wider compatibility work still happening behind the scene. So build number 29610, maybe Windows 11 27 H2 or maybe Windows 12, may not look exciting at first glance. There are no flashy features or show off, no dramatic redesigns, no headline grabbing AI announcements, but there are updates that shape the future of Windows. Modern licensing tools, better storage responsiveness, improved reliability, and the groundwork for what could be eventually become Windows 11 version 27 H2 or Windows 12. Sometimes the most important updates are the ones happening underneath the surface. So what do you think? Would you like Microsoft to focus more on stability and performance? Or do you prefer getting major new features first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Sudama and turn notifications on so you never miss our latest Windows 11 insider previews and updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.